Okay, so here's number one, all of it. I did the two tape diagrams. Here are the two tape diagrams for number one on the first page of your homework. And then right here, I wrote the multiplication sentence for number one. So hopefully this will help you maybe make up one yourself and practice it so that you know what you're doing. We'll practice again tomorrow. Okay, here's 2B. You are going to distribute out the problem. So we have 5 times 4, and then we have 5 times 1/6. Then you're going to answer that. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 5, 6. And then your answer is going to be 20 and 5, 6. I do not have to rename this in the simplest form because my fraction is not improper. Okay, see if you can do the rest. Remember distributive property.